We are touring this two-story modern home, three-car garage here, and this is a very elegant designed exterior. What's beautiful about this home is that it's located in a corner lot, and as you can see, the kids are going out of that school. It's a charter school, and this home has a total of 105,845 upgrade included in the price. This is your three-car garage, and this home is going to be completed within the next month or 2 months, so pretty soon. This is your area here. The street is a corner lot there, a cul-de-sac I mean, and those houses are also being built and will be ready soon, so contact me if you want to know the price. This alone, this upgraded door alone, it's a craftsman style door, and it's upgraded for $1,610. This is how it looks like when you're in front of your door. Those are beautiful modern homes, your neighbors. This is your side yard there. Let's enter this home. Welcome to your very bright home. I've seen this already, so I'm not gonna be wowed. But as you can see, guys, you have two recessed lighting. You have a window there. It's kind of like a foyer, and the tiles were also upgraded by level 5 tile. And it's so bright in here. On the left side, you have a coat closet. Very convenient upon entering the home. I wanted to emphasize this beautiful railing, guys. This is a tall ceiling. It's all the way there. It was upgraded by about 6,500. So that modern designed railing is 6,500. Welcome to your dining area. So this is where you put your table, right? And there is an area here, which is your laundry area. Comment down below, guys, if you prefer your laundry area to be on the second floor, and that is your garage there. Okay, so we're entering a full bedroom. Sorry, it should be first floor bedroom. Why did I say full? Okay, so this is the first floor bedroom, ideal for those who cannot afford to go up. And you have this full bathroom. Now that's right, full bathroom. Those windows there bring so much natural light inside. Okay, this is very convenient. And also you have this three-car garage, as we've seen a while ago. Right, it's still being done. This home will be completed in the next month or 2 months, so if you wanted to check out the price, please let me know, because it keeps on changing, so it's hard to put. You have this one as your first floor bedroom and full bathroom. We're back here on the dining area. We're gonna check out this side yard here. Again, this one you have a space for your seating here. You don't have a neighbor, right? As you can see on your right side of the house, facing the house, so you don't have a neighbor there. And then we're gonna check out your living room area. This is where the TV will be located. It's pre-wired already, and they have a lot of recessed lighting, guys. Your flooring is upgraded tile. And then look at your beautiful kitchen. The kitchen was upgraded by those upper cabinetry, and you have also an upgraded built-in area for your refrigerator. The quartz were upgraded here. Okay, so this has a window. I was checking here whether or not your neighbor is gonna take a look at your cooking. This is your cabinetry. Again, this has an upgraded farm sink, and this is your backyard. Yeah, this one is an upgraded quartz, guys. It's not yet here, but if you wanted to tour this with me, I can definitely tour this with you. This one is your pantry area. Yeah, we'll tour the home, and then we'll be able to check out the colors of the quartz. This alone, this windows brings so much natural light inside. Very bright in here, guys. And that is your island there. Okay, this is a very open floor plan. You can put your massive chair there with the TV. Let's go back to your backyard, meaning let's enter your backyard. This is spacious, guys. The premium for this particular lot is $30,000, but they've already included it in the price. So the last time I checked is that this home can be discounted below $700,000 with incentives. But if you don't like incentives, then it could be somewhere like a pricing that they have. So it's really hard to tell in the video because it keeps on changing. So it's better if we update you guys real time. So if you ask me, the screen, my phone number is on the screen, so we can just discuss the pricing and how much they are willing to go down. These are huge windows here, very nice. This alone is upgraded, this door here. Okay, we're back again here. I particularly like this windows here, and the reason being is that it's pretty low, right? You see here, it's low. If you look at this, guys, it also has those windows up above. Okay, very spacious, and you have this railing, very modern, right? When you enter this home, you are greeted by this tall height of the ceiling. This is most likely 20 feet tall. Okay, let's do this. Let's enter your second floor. These stairs are going to be carpet, and also the second floor. You have huge windows here. That is your neighbor. Very modern design, right? And then again, that is the house there. That's also for sale. And then this is your railing. Really nice railing. This is how it looks like, guys, when you're at your landing here on the second floor. This alone is $6,500, the railing. And this is how it looks like when you're hanging out here looking at your beautiful railing. On the left side should be a loft, but they converted it in a bedroom. Okay, again, I'm trying to look at how high it is. That's why I keep on repeating that. So that's the reason why I keep on repeating that. And then we're gonna enter the bedrooms now. On this side is the secondary full bathroom. You have, okay, so I open the lights here. Everything that you see here and is already included in the price. You're looking at the second secondary full bathroom, and now we're entering the loft area that was converted into a full bedroom, meaning this was supposed to be a loft, right? But they've converted it into a bedroom. They've upgraded it into a bedroom. And then you have a linen closet there. We're gonna enter the other secondary bedroom here. Okay, 2 windows. That's your closet there. Okay, very spacious. Not like those sliding doors, so it's almost like a walk-in. Okay, so you have your secondary bedroom again. This is your attic access. So far we've seen 3 bedrooms here. That's your neighbor there. 3 bedrooms on the second floor and 1 on the first floor. And look at this, guys. Even the second floor, meaning the secondary bedroom, has a walk-in closet. Okay, 1, 2, and then we have 3 bedrooms here. These 3 bedrooms share this full bathroom there. Okay, so we're entering this primary owner's bedroom, but before that, there is something here. This is a huge storage area. Okay, so double doors, right? So as you can see, guys, there are a lot of cars, and the reason why is because when I was filming this, it was about 2:45 p.m. when the kids are going out of the school. Okay, so this is your primary bedroom. It's not the biggest. When I was here, it's not really that big, so it's just okay. It's not the biggest. You have a walk-in closet. This is only the first walk-in closet. We're gonna visit the second walk-in closet here. So you have another walk-in closet here. So yeah, do you have one for you and one for your loved one? Okay. And then you have another area here for storing your towels or linens, right? Okay, let's enter this bathroom. This bathroom is going to be very modern because this will have the glass, UPG glass. It was upgraded. I saw the numbers, and again, this is the charter school. Very popular charter school, 2 years waiting list. Okay, so this is your bathroom. There will be a freestanding nice tub there, and then you have double sink here, again quartz. And then this is going to be your water closet here, all brand new, guys. No one has ever lived here. Of course, they are still being completed. You have a medicine cabinet, nice. Okay, so this one will have a spa shower. This bathroom will have a rain shower and also a regular shower, so you're getting both, which is nice. Okay, we're now entering outside, meaning we're now going outside of the primary bedroom. This is just a voice, meaning I'm doing this voice, meaning the voice is when I was here at my home already. I'm just trying to revisit the video. That's why you can see that the voice might not be in line with what's happening on the video. But then, okay, so we're back here, right? This is a total of $105,845 upgrades. So when I saw the price, almost like it's a free upgrade because they can bring that down. I just don't have the power to say how much it will be because the builder just told me that they can discount this really nice. So contact me, guys, on the screen. Even those recessed lightings that you can see are part of the upgrades included in the price, but definitely they can discount this heavily because they wanted to make sure they can sell this really bright. This is a very modern home. And that wall there that you can see, they said you can remove. This one is also upgraded there. Okay, let me know, guys, what do you think of this home? Again, this is a very nice therma through doors, craftsman style, 1610 upgraded. And this home, if you add all of the upgrades, usually it is priced at $756,000, but the builder told me that you're getting this light too. Okay, the builder told me that when I saw the price, it's almost like free upgrades. But again, it's about negotiation. Thank you so much, guys, for your support to the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure you share this video. Have an amazing day today.